Right now I am straightening my hair. It is Wednesday, by the way. Wednesday, the December 5th. This morning, I think I just showed you guys a clip of Eli and Mila playing. After that, I made us breakfast, ate, and then Eli went to work. And then I went ahead and dropped him off today. And then I got back from dropping him off. I called the dealership because we need an oil change, and for some reason when we pump gas, like we'll barely be pumping it for like 10 seconds and then it will click off, and then we'll have to put gas and then it will click off again after like 5 or 10 seconds. So that's been going on for about a week now. It's been about a week, but today I am off, so we're gonna be hanging out today. I wanted to go shopping because guess who got paid and paid all their bills? We did over here. So I actually wanted to go buy a black pair of boots, and then I wanted to buy some new jeans. I don't know, I just kind of wanted to spend some money. I gave myself a $100 spending limit today, so there's a lot I can get with $100. Trust me, when you are not an expensive kind of gal, you can get a lot. So I'm actually straightening my hair right now, like I said. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna finish up my hair, finish watching vlogs. I'm gonna catch up on watching Ciao Bella or Megan Lee, and then I'm watching Keaton Milburn, and then I wanted to watch Zane and Heath's new episode of their podcast. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my hair. It's not gonna take that long, and then I will be right back. Actually,
turn it down a little bit on the, or probably a lot actually. Right there. Yep.
I've been looking for the starting line, yeah. I've been looking for the green light, yeah. I've been looking for the starting line, whoa. I've been looking for the green light. I've been looking for the starting line, yeah. I've been looking for the green light. I've been looking for the starting line. Whoa. Yeah. I've been looking for the green light. I've been looking. Can you tell me? Look, can you tell me why? Everybody blind. Why they don't seem to see the starting line? You know what? Maybe they ain't thinking right. I don't really think they dream at night, cause they don't seem to see the green light. And it's shining so bright, yeah. They should look up at the stars at night. Get their bond with God right. It's gonna be a long fight, promise it's gonna be alright. If you keep your head high and your faith higher. Just gotta keep your head high and your faith higher. Yeah. Let me tell you. Listen. Now let me tell you why I see this finish line. Cause I started from the start.
No, it's not. You don't know where I'll be working now.
I'm gonna stalk you
And
cover it.
oh yeah, I'm just gonna be like this the whole
I'll
time.
censor it. I'll put like a little emoji on it.
No.
Yes, I can. State your name.
What?
Tell the people who you are.
They know who I am. I gotta dress myself.
Hello. No, thank you. Son of a gun. I'll be right out. Thank you so much. Have a good day. You too.
I should just hold the bag like this.
Oh my god.
What did I get? Wait, what'd you get?
I got Mexican pizza.
That's it?
Yeah.
For real? Mm-hmm. No, you didn't. They gave you a chicken quesadilla. I'm pissed.
What do you
Where's my
mean?
receipt?
I don't have a Mexican pizza. Pause.
Unpause.
I have a Mexican pizza. There's not a Mexican pizza in there?
They gave me a chicken quesadilla.
Yeah, that's what you said.
No, a chicken quesadilla melt.
Oh, sorry. And then I didn't. Oh, I did. I said melt at the end, huh?
That's alright, don't worry about it. Just go home.
Okay. Oh, go home again.
Just kidding.
So.
What are you about to do with this? And I'll wait for you, cousin.
No, start eating. Picked up Eli for lunch. We got Taco Bell.
Tacos.
And I'm finally out of the house. It took me forever because I had to straighten. That's what I did too. I straightened my hair. I did my makeup.
Dang.
I kind of took my time, but then I didn't realize that it was almost 1. So.
What do you do? What do you gotta do?
No, nothing. It's already 1, but I was saying like to get to have lunch with you. You guys, let us know in the comments below if Eli and I should renew our Disney passes. I don't think I mentioned this on camera, but are you sure? So in the summertime, we're going on a cruise. Eli's going to his cousin's graduation. I forgot I have 2 cousins graduating as well this year. I feel like there's just so much going on.
That's true.
So Eli's going to his cousin's graduation on his own. Eli and I, for the cruise, we're going together. Everything's kind of happening in, I would say, like 3 months. So May, June, July. Like that's when we'll be busy, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But the reason why I
Isn't
think...
that kind of like summertime?
Yeah, and that's when we can't go to Disneyland.
Yeah. So let's get the passes too.
But the thing is, the reason why Eli and I keep going back and forth is because Eli and I, we want to start a family. But I personally, I don't want to be pregnant during the summertime. In a perfect world,
Dude, it would literally probably take you like a month to like have a full-on baby.
Yeah.
In a perfect world.
Right.
But it takes 9 months.
I know. So I kind of want to wait until the summertime to like try. And you figure we already have a trip planned for Disneyland in January. And then we could go for our birthdays. That's like late February, early March.
Mm-hmm.
And then we could go for the Food and Wine Festival again if we choose to.
Mm-hmm.
That's already 3 times. We already got our money's worth. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have a piece of your quesadilla? Because I'm really hungry.
I don't know.
Can I turn here? No, I can't.
It's up there.
Huh? No, it says lane closed.
Yeah, but you can still turn.
Ooh, dang. This is cheap.
Imagine that wrapped in a burrito. That's what they do.
Really?
Yeah.
You like that?
It's the same thing, but just way cheaper. Morning, morning. Ooh, try it.
What?
Try it.
Try what?
Try to top me.
What did you do?
You heard me.
No, I didn't. What did you do?
I can't remember. Morning.
Morning.
Ugh. Always beating me.
I have to beat you at something. You're usually better than me at everything else.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not better than
You don't
you
know,
at.
you don't know how to bounce your butt.
Because I don't need to.
Yeah. Dang, you freaking...
Oh. We had a whole quarter of my quesadilla. You're better than me at putting eyelashes on. You're better than me at putting makeup on, which is really debatable. You're better than me at picking outfits.
No.
What do you mean no? That's facts.
Say less.
No.
You're so cute.
No, no.
You guys, Eli, I think he
My
has.
beard is hecka brown.
Yeah, you can really see the color of it.
Oh.
It's cute.
No, it's not. Serious face. Try it. Serious face. No, like. You gotta do the rock, like.
Oh, hold on. I can't.
You don't have that look.
Like intimidating?
I don't have that look.
People
When I
have
start talking, they're like, "Oh, this was a clown."
Oh.
Bingo. What time is it? Got 5 more minutes with this fine sister. What?
Okay, I know you guys could barely see me. Right now, I don't even know what time it is, but right now, I have about an hour until okay. Okay. I have about 40 minutes until Eli gets off. I just went to Ross, and the right next to Ross is a Sprouts. I wanted to surprise Eli because I got us a chocolate cake. It's from Sprouts. It's really, really good. When I was eating vegan, Eli bought me this cake earlier this year. It's a vegan chocolate blackout layer cake. I kind of want to buy one of these for our Thanksgiving dinner that we're gonna have this Saturday with his family, because Eli's stepdad loved the cake, and I feel like it's like the small things that make people happy, you know? I actually got myself 2 kombuchas. I don't know how I feel about this kombucha. It's the Sprouts brand kombucha. It's organic kombucha. It's kiwi strawberry flavored. It's good, but I was expecting, I guess, for the kombucha to like punch me in the face. Like, you know how Health Aid, like theirs is like bomb.com. No shade to Sprouts, but this low-key tastes like, hold on. It kind of tastes like beer when it loses its sizzle. It's kind of weird. I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna go into H&M, but first let me drink some more of my beer. Like that high-key, low-key, high-key, high-key tastes like an alcoholic beverage, if you know what I mean. But I really don't know how I feel about it. Like, I don't know if I like it or not. You guys haven't seen Mila in a really long time. But here she is in all of her glory. Eli and I, last year I got the girls these dog tags. Let me see if she lets me show you. It says, okay, I'm gonna have to bring it up so she doesn't get in the way. It says naughty on one side. Let me see, hold on. It says naughty on one side, and then on the other side it says nice. They're super cute. Huh. Give me paw. Good girl. Down. 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 Give me. Good girl. I think I'm gonna go to bed soon, around 9:30, just because I do want to get up and work out in the morning. And I kind of want to make myself lunch for tomorrow right now. I've been trying to get into the habit of prepping my meals, just so I don't have to do it in the morning, and because it's a little bit healthier for me to do it that way, just so I'm not at work and tempted to wanting to go get like fast food or something. So I think I'm gonna go do that. I might cut up some zucchini and have ground turkey, and then wash off my makeup. But that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat so we can become the best of friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as pushing the notification bell. That way I know you guys want to see more of me, and subscribing to my channel as well. I think I'm gonna vlog Saturday. I haven't made my mind up yet, but I think I'm going to, because I enjoyed vlogging today. So yeah, leave a comment down below letting me know what do you guys want to see next for me, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.